A 24-core AMD desktop CPU is coming, the Ryzen 9. The AMD Ryzen 9 11950X, built on Zen 6 and 2 nanometers. But will it crush Intel's next-gen Panther Lake or Nova Lake CPUs? Let's find out. The Ryzen 9 11950X is AMD's rumored Zen 6 flagship, built on a 2 nanometers process, with 24-core E's, RDNA 5 iGPU, and massive cache. This CPU could redefine high-end desktop performance. Leaked specs include 24 cores, 48 threads, dual CCDs up to 96 megabytes L3 cache, RDNA 5 integrated graphics, 2 nanometers TSMC process, socket AM5 Plus with PCIe 5.0 Plus and DRDIA 5. If true, Ryzen 9 11950X would not only outperform the Ryzen 99950X3D, it could challenge or even beat Intel's next CPU giants. Here's where it gets exciting. Intel's Panther Lake is expected in 2025, and Nova Lake is set to follow with a radical new architecture, focused on efficiency and AI. But AMD has a head start on core count and cache. The 11950X's 24 high-performance cores could overpower Intel's hybrid core mix unless Intel scales up beyond 8 P16E cores. Nova Lake is rumored to introduce a tiled architecture, disaggregated designs, and even custom accelerators. But raw multi-core performance might still go to AMD if clocks and thermals are optimized, right? Intel may win in AI acceleration and integrated graphics, especially with Battlemage or Celestial GPUs on board. But AMD's 2 nanometer Zen 6 CPUs could dominate in creator workloads, compiling, rendering, and enthusiast gaming rigs. So, Ryzen 9 11950X or Intel's Nova Lake. The future is closer than you think, and the war for desktop dominance is just heating up.